Hi there, students. Pent up. Okay, I think pent up is a phrasal adjective. It means bottled in, bottled up, repressed, kept in, not allowed to get out. We use this word particularly for emotions. So, pent up emotions. The pent up emotions welled over, came out, and she started crying. There was so much pent up anger that when he finally released it, he started hitting people. Pent up rage. Maybe one of the problems with driving to work is the pent up stress and frustration at all that traffic, and there's nowhere to let out your pent up frustration. You can also use pent up meaning kept in more physically. So the kids have been pent up in the house for the last 3 days because the weather has been terrible. I've been pent up in this office all week because I've got to finish this project. Yeah. So if something is pent up, it's kept in unwillingly. It's confined. It's not allowed to be vented, let out or expressed. It's held back or stifled. A good collocation is pent up demand. So when supply is very low or there is no supply and people want something, well, yeah, maybe the price goes up. But there is still a lot of pent-up demand. Okay, people would buy it if the price were a little more reasonable. So the demand is kept in. Okay, this is the idea of pent up. Now, the origin of this word is quite interesting and will possibly teach you another word. Pent is the old-fashioned past participle of pen, but not the pen to write with that you all know. A pen can also be an enclosure to keep animals, particularly farm animals. The farmer penned the sheep. He put them in a pen. The pigs live in a pen. I think Snoopy had a friend called Pigpen. Okay, the place where they keep pigs. So to pen up, okay, to pen, to put in an enclosure, and the up just adds emphasis. But with pent, I wouldn't use it without the up. So pent is the past participle, penned up, kept in. And that's the real meaning of it. So, pent up, bottled in, kept in. Usually you use it for emotions. Pent up anger, pent up rage. You could use it to mean to keep someone in. The kids have been pent up in the house. All of the pent up pressure caused the explosion. Yeah, the pressure in the system was pent up. It was increasing and increasing, and then finally, bang. Okay? Now, the next question, formality. I know this is a phrasal verb, but I think it's possibly slightly formal, maybe a 6 out of 10. You could definitely use it in an informal conversation, and I think you could definitely use it in a formal writing as well. That's unusual because it's a phrasal adjective. It's a very old one though. So, pent up, use it in your exam writings. It'll show your vocabulary. It's a good opportunity to show off using this word, pent up. Yeah, your pent-up desire to show how good you are at English. So, neutral, slightly formal. You could use it in an informal conversation, I think, without problems. Pent up, bottled in, kept in, restricted, stifled, held back. Okay, so there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Pent